right. Let's change the name. To change the name, what's the command? Host name CTL. Okay, yeah. Host name CTL, then what?
Set dash host name.
Okay. For what now?
Yeah. Silicon Valley you can do that.
Let's see, it's Indiana. Is that how your Indiana is spelled?
Yes.
All right. Okay. So let's just do something to shake it so that it will get the same. So we can log out as Akin, and then Indiana is now home. All right. So come here and say system,
host name
city, New York. All right. No, set host name.
okay.
New York. All right. Then we just do SUARK. All right. So the new name is valid. Then let's see. Come on, something came to my mind. Okay. So we have changed the names. All right. So what do we want to do now? To SSH into this system from this system remotely, we say SSH. That's the command. Then the user account on the other system, something like this on the other system. Just this one. That's all right. It will be Akin at
the IP address.
Huh?
192 the IP address.
Okay.
Okay, yes, the IP address. Okay. 192.168.100.15. All right. That's the simple way to log in. All right. There's this system with this fingerprint and all these details. Are you sure you want to continue to connect to this system? Yes. All right. Okay. What's your password? My password is this. All right. So we have logged into Indiana. Yeah. At a higher level, it may not be this easy to just log in. There might be, in fact, there is a lot that we'll need to do at a higher level when we get to cloud to be able to log into a system. It will not be this straightforward. But basically, just say SSH when there's no security in place. But in reality, there will be security. So you need to generate a public key, private key, and do a lot of stuff before you can. All right. So, but in any case, we did log in. So whatever we do here now, ls-l, we are now doing ls minus l.
Do people still use Telnet also?
Sorry?
So do you still use Telnet?
No, Telnet is old fashioned.
Okay.
Since the arrival of SSH, which is secure shell, Telnet is the non-secure version.
Okay.
Telnet has been thrown away. All right. So this is what we have here. So whatever we do here now is we are doing there. Let's just do one thing at least. Make directory Telnet and Telnet, all right? In where? Print working directory in Akin, Telnet. That's the only place I can work anyway, all right? So if we come here and we check right here, first of all, CD home for the user who is currently logged on. You take us to Akin. Want to confirm that? You can see PWD is in Akin. If you do ls minus l, you're going to see Telnet somewhere. Where is it? Yeah, right there. All right, so that's how to Telnet. What about copying files? Let's copy file from this server to this server now. Oh, we're doing great. So this is just the idea. The idea is for you to build confidence that, okay, you know this, and then you are really showing that you know it. Because we're not referring to the note right now, so we're just doing everything as much as we remember. You have not even practiced for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, so we're doing good. All right, so come here and say copyright.
You have to create a file, right?
Yeah, let's quickly create maybe even a bunch of files. So one simple way to create a file is touch. File 1, file 2, file 3, file 4, file 5. All right.
File 1. Check file 1.
Okay. Space, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4, 5. All right. So if we do ls minus l, we'll see all the files.
Right.
Suppose we want to copy everything here. Okay. Let's copy everything in this folder. So what do we do?
With tar.
Just tar.
Yes, let's tar. So what we do is tar everything in current directory. That is, this means current directory. Everything will be star. Oh, somebody says tar. Oh, that's good. All right. So tar everything here, but tar CVS compress. Show us as we are doing it and for fun. Okay. Tar CVF everything here and call it what?
You can do my tar file too. Doesn't matter. My tar file.
Okay. Tar.
No, it's supposed to put it before the, or does it matter? It's supposed to be before the star and the.
Okay. So tar CVF.
Yes.
Call it my tar file. Okay. To be honest, I forgot that. So
yeah, this one will be after star. It's gonna be
star.
Yeah.
It's gonna be our tar file .tar.
.tar. Okay. Correct. Yes. You're right. We have to keep to standard. All right. So our tar file .tar. All right, that's fine. So are we ready? Yeah. So everything worked. It shows all of this before because we said bubbles. So if we now do ls minus l, it's going to show us that we do now have a file called our third file, and it's containing all of that. All right. Oh, where are we? We're still in Indiana.
Yes.
Everything we are doing is in Indiana. I wanted to do it here so I can copy it to Indiana.
You wanted to do it in New York,
On
you
this
mean?
local, yeah.
That's what you're
New York.
doing.
No,
But
look
you
at
No,
it.
we are
Show
the
me Indiana.
SSH. We
I'm
SSH
still,
already.
yeah. I'm still on the SSH session. I should have terminated my SSH, but no problem. Let's leave the SSH session. So we're back to New York. So everything we have done now, we did from here. So now let's copy from here. I mean, you are seeing my mouse. Let's go to Indiana now.
Okay.
SSH.
ls minus l, and then so this is the file now. This is where the file is not here. If we do ls minus l, the file is not here.
Right. We shouldn't be. You're in the wrong directory, though.
Yeah. So let's go back to the right directory. CD will take us to the right directory.
Yeah.
ls minus l. So the file is not here.
Right, because we didn't create it there. So
Yes. All right. So that's fine. So now let's copy this file now from where it is to the other place. So how do we copy?
so where to New York?
You
Yes.
can do
to New York
SCP,
server.
Secured Copy Protocol, SCP.
Yes. Secure copy. It has to be secure copy now because the secure is for server to server transfer, not local. All right, that's good. So secure copy what? Before we copy, let's quickly compress this file further from 10,000 kilobytes to something smaller so that it will not be too heavy on the bandwidth. So what can we do?
Gzip.
Gzip.
All right, Gzip. So Gzip, then
And
name
the
of
file name, our tar file.tar.
File.tar. All right, so that's it. If I got that spelling right, then we are ready to go. Add file. All right, so it is done. ls minus l. We have that file now, gzip to only 347 bytes. All right, so we're now ready to move it, to transfer over the bandwidth. So that's the S copy. S copy what?
Let's copy
The file name,
Our tar file dot tar
dot gz.
gz.
You can use tab to autocomplete, right?
So what? Yes, I can use tab to autocomplete. Yeah. Okay, so what do I do from here? Let's copy
And
that to where?
then you have to use the user
Okay. Akin at
the IP address of
okay, that's good. 192.168.100.10.
You're taking it to 10.
Mm-hmm.
Then you specify your destination over there.
Awesome. So the destination would be home. Yeah, okay. That's it. All right. Are you sure? Because anytime you are connecting to something remote, you ask, what's my password?
You don't know.
All right. It's done. 100% complete.